Hello Mal, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video for the Germanies. Today we're doing something super sick. I'm sure a lot of people are going to be interested in this one, and it is for some seats. Now if you guys know already, you've seen that I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, but Sylvia's got some seats, some nice little bucket seats there, and you know, they look awesome in my opinion, and most people, I get a lot of compliments for the seats. So we did something special for a friend of mine. He's a good friend. He's actually been in a good couple of videos. We've done some shoots of his car. He's also got some seats. We managed to all band together, did something nice for him and organized it. So we've got the box here. I haven't unboxed them at all. I literally have no clue what we're doing, but I wanted you guys to experience it with us, because obviously he can't be here right now to open the seats, and I mean, I don't have the patience to wait, so I'm going to crack these bad boys open, put you guys down so you can see, and then do a little bit of a walk around of the seats. So let's get to that. Alright, so there we have it. Let me quickly turn the focus on here. These are the seats. They look absolutely nuts. Obviously I already threw that cinematic together so you guys can see that. I'll probably throw that in before this. But yeah, the stitching is absolutely insane. And there's a really nice depth to it. Everything looks really good. I mean, there's some minor imperfections in the stitching here and there, but it's nothing noticeable. So I think they came out really sick. And comfort wise, they feel really good. So like, I'd say you can see they, for me at least, my back's really well supported. Everything looks really good. So yeah, we're basically winning. Now it's just this, sorry about the noise, Dad is busy packing some stuff. But yeah, there you have it. They look awesome. The height fits really nicely. Franklin's a little bit shorter than me, but it'll fit really well. And the way it hugs you at the back is really nice. I enjoy I think they call it the bolstering. Same thing with the bottom, you know, there's not a lot of movement. But Franklin did say his girlfriend likes to sit sideways in the seat, so she's probably going to have a bit of a hard time with these ones, but it should be awesome either way. So we'll see how it goes. So there you have it. Next part will probably be us installing them. We need to get some plates. We're going to be getting some sheet metal. I don't know when that's going to happen, so there might be a bit of time before this video comes out. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys how they look, and I'll follow up this when we get there. Shot.
And then I got some sad news.
What's the sad news?
Not sad news, but you can say, what's it? Murphy's Law kind of?
About?
We just bought the seats. Guess who got stuck?
Max Motorsport. But they're only
But the same, yeah, but they're the same price though, so I'm not nuts yet.
Ready?
Of course I'm reading what you're talking about. She's gonna miss it pretty.
Good, huh?
Mm.
Yeah, but have a seat. You can feel it.
So I'll put it down, yeah, that's low.
Funny does the starts go.
Oh my word.
Yeah, really?
This is gonna
The ball thing's lekker.
And
And you don't look small in the chip.
Yeah,
You
that's
put the
what,
chip perfectly.
that's what I was worried about.
And is it comfortable?
Yeah, my bro, that is nicely.
Everybody.
Yeah,
The
that's
stitching, bro. Ooh.
Yeah.
Are you too good?
That's good.
Yes, boy. Let's go.
Hello, we are busy with Franklin's car again. Today's not the final install, but what we are doing today is we're going to be taking out his passenger seat and just test fitting the seat in to see how the rails line up and how everything lines up in the car before we get the plates that we need to mount them to, if we even need plates. We're still figuring out the whole mechanism. Maybe even a matter of porting over the original rails to the new seats. We don't know yet. We're going to figure that out. On my car, it's a matter of a sheet, because the Polo seats are much wide. The Polo seats are much wider than the aftermarket seats, whereas on this car, these aftermarket seats are pretty similar in size as far as width is concerned. If anything, maybe a little bit wider. But the Corsa is a smaller car, it makes sense. So we're going to get cracking with that, pull the passenger seat out, then pop one of the seats in and see how she looks. Alright, I don't know how well this is showing up on camera, but there you can see seats are out basically. You can see here, these are the hooks that the seat normally attaches to in front. It has a hook mechanism and then 2 bolts at the back. Yeah, so I do see there are some holes for some other kind of mounts. I don't know what those holes are for, but we're probably going to try and reuse the hook system because it seems quite nice and it will save us some bolts, and then just figure out the back. Yeah, sweet, do that. It's a 1 rand. So yeah, we'll get to that, pop the seat in, see how she looks. Alright, so there we have it. This is the test. This isn't the set height. We might still adjust the height a bit, but I think for height it's definitely not bad. Obviously it's a bit taller than the OEM one, but that's expected. These seats always are, but height wise, like seating area, it's pretty good. Let me adjust this quick so you guys can actually see something. There you go. The original seats has like a foot for the back here to lift the rail up, so you might need to look at porting over that foot. And then the hook system unfortunately doesn't line up. The original the rails on these are a bit smaller than the other one, so we're gonna have to figure out how we can mount these. We're also wondering if we can maybe even take the hooks off the OEM ones, but we'll try and figure that out and I'll show you guys what we come up with. So you can see the mount point over there. And these are the actual OEM mounts for these seats. Not as OEM as these China tier seats get, but there's another mounting point over there, and then one over there. And the original ones were flat, so we just tilted them inwards, and that basically gave it the centimeter distance that it needed. So everything's looking really good, and it's really sturdy. We're gonna pop them in now and see how they sit. long as you're happy with it, dude.
We can see.
I'll send it to the group.
Now I can make so.
Man is well equipped. The seats are finally in. They look sick. Franklin's smiling from ear to ear. And, so everything's looking sick. It's really comfortable. What can we say? They fit in the car really nicely. There's plenty of space. And yeah, I mean. Cool, it's finally done. Everything's sorted. She's looking awesome. I'm gonna flip her around here and show you guys. She might be a little bit dark. That's it. I've probably really shown you guys the cinematics, so you'll see the seats are not too bothered with the darkness of it, but they fit really nicely. We managed to keep the OEM adapters and got the seat to fit on the OEM rails. So we just took the rails that were on these seats off and put those ones on, and then we just had to bend the feet inwards to allow for the mounting, because the original ones mounted sideways, whereas these ones mount flat. But yeah, everything's done. It looks awesome, and I think it came out super sick. And they suit the car with the white stitching. It's got the whole white and gold vibe going on. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are interested in more content like this. We've got something really sick on the way.